Leanna Martens, Logic Realty.
Welcome to Inglewood. Inglewood is a really amazing community that has had a huge amount of infill,
Just like this,
that has come in over the last 7 years that have increased property values.
let's go take a tour and see what $690,000 gets you.
So this infill in Inglewood was used as an Airbnb. That's where you see such really cool features. Beautiful infill in one of my favorite communities, which is Inglewood, right behind me. If you guys want to see more property tours, follow me here.